Hi friends, today we discuss 5 marks examples. So today I have taken a topic relation and functions. So in this relation and function, so important 5 marks questions we'll discuss in this session. So let us begin with the first example. So here it is a given that check the injective and surjective of the function f is such that r is mapped with the r defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Is it a bijective function? See here, the meaning of injective is it is a 1-1 function. Surjective is it is a onto function. So if it is a 1-1 as well as a onto function, then the given function it will become a bijective function. And here look at a function, very important. It is defined from r to r. R it will represent the set of a real number. So f is a function defined from real number to a real number. So let us begin this example. So first we will check whether it is a injective or it is 1-1 function. So for this I am taking f of x1 equal to f of x2. So here f of x is 3 minus 4x. Wherever x is there, we have to replace it by x1. So we get this as 3 minus 4 x1 equal to f of x2 3 minus 4 x2 it is. So further both side plus 3 is there, so we can subtract both side by 3, then plus 3 minus 3 get cancels, minus 4 x1 equal to minus 4 x2. Further both side will get minus 4 here, so we will divide the entire equation by minus 4, then minus 4 get cancels, x1 equal to x2. The dear students, look at here, we have started from f of x1 equal to f of x2. We got answer as x1 equal to x2. Therefore it is injective function, or else we can write f is 1-1 function it is. So here if it is a equal to, here also equal to sign we got it, then that means it is a 1-1 function. Then we'll verify whether it is a onto function. So for that I am taking, for onto function, f of x equal to y it is. So further we'll observe that f of x is, the function is defined 3 minus 4x equal to y. Then we have to write a solution for x. So minus 4x transported to RHS, y to LHS. So we get 3 minus y equal to 4x. Then solution for x is, it is a 3 minus y divided by 4. And we observe that this is belonging to the set of real numbers. This is belonging to the set of a real number. Therefore we can say that f is onto, or another name for onto is surjective. Therefore we will observe that f is 1-1 as well as it is onto. Therefore we will observe that f is bijective function. It is a bijective function. So dear student, this is a procedure. So here the given function, so we have to represent as a f of x1 equal to f of x2. Further f of x1, wherever f of x is there, x is replaced by x1 here, then simplify. So here also equal to sign, here also equal to sign. Therefore we will observe that f is 1-1 function. So further f of x equal to y we have to take. For onto simplification, f of x we have to substitute. Then we have to write x solution. So which is belonging to the set of a real number. Any number in the form of a p by q, that is nothing but a real number. Therefore f is onto. Therefore f is 1 1 and onto. Therefore f is a bijective function. So this is a one variety of a problem here. Another variety of a problem will come, so that we'll discuss. So let us begin with the next example. Here it is given that verify whether the function f is such that n is mapped with a n defined by f of x equal to x square is 1 1 onto and bijective here. So as we have begun with the previous example, the same procedure we have to use. So we will take f of x1, or first f of x equal to x square it is. Further we'll observe that here we'll take, see, f of x1 equal to f of x2. So we'll observe that we get a x1 square equal to x2 square here. So x1 solution is, it is a plus or minus under the square root of x2 square. So x1 equal to, it is a plus or minus x2 we are going to get it. See, this is not belonging to the natural number, because set of a natural number means all positive number 1 2 3 up to infinitely many number of numbers we are going to get it. Here negative number is involved, therefore clearly f is not 1 1, or else we can say that it is not a injective. So dear student, did you understand? See, f here the it is a n is a defined. So in a set of a natural number, the negative numbers are not defined, therefore it is not belonging to, see, it is not a 1 1 function. So further we will prove for a onto. So we take for that f of x equal to y. So we'll observe that f of x is x square equal to y. Then we have to write a solution for a x equal to, it is a root of a y. So we can take plus or minus root of a y. So here y takes the natural numbers 1 2 3. See, it is not belonging to n, because so root 2 is not belonging to n, root 3 is not belonging to n here. So these are evidence they are not belonging to the n here. So these are evidence that it is not onto, not onto. Therefore we can say that f is not 1 1, f is not onto, therefore it is not a bijective function. F is not a bijective function, bijective function. So dear student, here very important is, so the function f, it is a defined from set of a natural number to natural number. In a natural number, if we get a negative number, then it is not a belonging, then it is not a 1 1 here in a first case, and a second case it is not a onto here. So like this example we have to solve. So these are two example possible 5 marks question from relation and function. So practice these examples. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.